Did you know Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich has created more millionaires than any other book? Today, I'll show you how to use its principles to build wealth in 2025. Welcome back, Wealth Warriors. I'm Anukool, and today we're diving into the timeless wisdom of classic wealth building books. Whether you're looking to launch your first business or scale your side hustle, these principles will show you the way. We're talking about the tried and true lessons from Think and Grow Rich and The Richest Man in Babylon, updated for 2025. Let's get started. All right, let's break down the key principles from these iconic texts with a fresh spin for today's world. The Babylonian Blueprint. We'll kick things off with The Richest Man in Babylon. This book is all about the basics of wealth, saving, investing, and making money work for you. One of the most important lessons is start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. That's right, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small and build from there. Whether it's a side gig, freelancing, or investing, every dollar counts. And hey, in 2025, the gig economy is booming, so get in on it. Imagine this, you're in ancient Babylon, and everyone is talking about gold. But here's the twist. You don't need gold to get started today. You just need that side hustle idea. That passion project you've been thinking about, the principle remains the same. Make sure your money is working for you, not the other way around. Desire is your fuel. Moving on to Think and Grow Rich, one of the most powerful principles here is the idea of desire. Desire is the starting point of all achievement. And guess what? In 2025, desire is more relevant than ever. With AI, e-commerce, and the digital world at our fingertips, your desire to succeed can be a powerful driving force. Think about it this way. Hill talks about the burning desire to achieve. That's your fuel for 2025. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, launching an online course, or diving into stocks, your desire is what will get you through those sleepless nights and endless hours of learning. But remember, it's not just about wanting. Action is key. The power of Mastermind. Another key principle is Hill's idea of the mastermind. A group of minds working together can accomplish more than one. In today's digital age, this translates perfectly into networking, collaboration, and finding mentors. The internet makes it easier than ever to connect with like-minded individuals, join communities, and find your tribe. Back in the day, people gathered around in smoky rooms to discuss ideas. Today, you can join online forums, webinars, and even social media groups. The principle is simple. Surround yourself with people who are smarter than you. They'll challenge you, support you, and push you to the next level. Now, how do we apply these principles in 2025? Let's break it down. Take the principle of desire from Think and Grow Rich. Today, that means using platforms like AI to refine your passion project. If you have a business idea, AI can help you create a marketing strategy, analyze trends, and even streamline operations. The desire to succeed is your starting point, but it's the action you take that will make it happen. Or let's talk about the Mastermind principle. In 2025, you can join online communities that focus on what you're passionate about, whether it's e-commerce, content creation, or real estate investing. These platforms are hubs for knowledge sharing, collaboration, and finding the right people who can help you on your journey. Which principle are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to dive deeper into these timeless principles, hit that subscribe button. We've got more wealth hacks straight from the world's most successful books. Remember, these principles have stood the test of time because they work. Start applying them today. Keep learning, keep earning, and visit theaimarketingschool.com for more. See you next time.